devoid of inspiration. I'm gonna talk about my favorite thing.
That's right, I'm talking about the weather. The weather. The weather. The weather or not. There's space in your heart just for my love. The weather in space. There's life we could trace back to our love.
Burn out in apprehension. I'm gonna talk about my favorite thing.
That's right.